How to make your TikTok account public. Switch from private to public. This tutorial will show you the quickest way to change your TikTok privacy settings. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the section of Visibility and then head to Private Account. Tap on it. Here, look for the Private Account option. If your account is currently private, simply tap the toggle next to Private Account to turn it off. TikTok may ask you to confirm the change. If prompted, tap Switch or Confirm to continue. Once completed, your TikTok account will become public, which means anyone on TikTok can view your content, follow your account, and interact with your videos based on your privacy settings. That's all it takes to make a TikTok account public. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.